Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to a journey into the heart of Japanese cuisine, exploring the delicious world of unagi. This sweet and savory grilled eel is more than just a meal. It's an experience, deeply cherished in Japan for its unique flavor. With a little guidance, you can bring this exquisite taste right into your own kitchen, creating a dish that's truly special and impressive for your friends and family. It's a wonderful way to enjoy an authentic taste of Japan. Preparing unagi at home begins with your choice of eel. Many home cooks opt for pre-butterflied eel, which saves a lot of time and effort. However, if you're using a whole fresh eel, you'll need to carefully butterfly and debone it first. The goal is to have a clean, flat piece of eel, ready for its delicious transformation, ensuring a perfect foundation for cooking. Grilling is where the magic truly happens for Japanese-style eel. Traditionally, it's done over bainchan charcoal, which imparts an incredible smoky flavor. Start by grilling the eel skin side down until it's nicely crisped, then flip it over. Once the flesh side is partially cooked, you'll begin basting it generously with the special tare sauce, building up those wonderful layers of flavor. The rich, glossy tare sauce is absolutely essential for authentic unagi. It's what gives the eel its signature flavor. You'll typically combine soy sauce, mirin, sake, and a touch of sugar in a small saucepan. Let this mixture gently simmer, stirring occasionally, until it reduces and thickens to a beautiful, sticky consistency. This process creates the perfect sweet and savory glaze for your grilled eel. Once your unagi is perfectly grilled and glazed, it's time to enjoy your masterpiece. The traditional way is to serve it over a steaming bowl of fluffy white rice. Don't forget to drizzle some extra tare sauce over both the eel and the rice for that ultimate flavor experience. A sprinkle of sancho pepper adds a lovely citrusy, slightly tingly finish, truly elevating your homemade Japanese eel dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.